Guilty. The word echoed throughout the courtroom as a jury reached a verdict for Vincente Zavaleta, the Tyler man now convicted of aggravated sexual assault. KLTV7's Michael Richardson spoke with the prosecution and defense after this week-long trial came to an end.
After less than an hour deliberating, the jury reached a unanimous conclusion.
We, the jury, find the defendant Vincente Zavaleta guilty of the offense of aggravated sexual assault.
Although the decision came quickly in the trial of Vincente Zavaleta, the trial itself lasted 7 days. Both sides called several witnesses, from family to investigators to the victim, to persuade the jury one way or the other. In the end, it was the state that prevailed. Assistant District Attorney Richard Vance believes DNA evidence played a significant role in the verdict.
The type of DNA they found is one of those, it's not a transferable DNA or anything like that, and not just that it was found on one person, it's also the fact we have two other victims it was found on, crimes committed in a similar manner. So I would say that the DNA was by far the most powerful evidence.
Defense lawyer Courtney Warren stands by Vincente's character and plans to appeal the decision.
We weren't allowed to present the character evidence that we wanted to. That's really important in a sexual assault case. I haven't spoken to a single person who personally knows Mr. Zavaleta who thinks he is capable of anything even remotely close to this.
Now, sentencing awaits for a crime committed over a decade ago.
He was fortunate enough not to get caught, and the nature of what he did is just as horrific now as it was 12 years ago, so I believe the punishment will be based upon that.
Michael Richardson, KLTV 7 News.
And speaking of punishment, sentencing is set to happen July 16th.